if you have this type of Samsung refrigerator with the ice and water through the door, and your ice maker is giving you trouble, before you go and spend a lot of money, do this right here. And it is, remove that cover. Sorry, I had to find a place to put that. Remove that cover, and if you see these fingers sticking up, they've probably got frost right in here like this. And there's where a piece of ice is broken. Just push that down, and that'll go ahead and allow that to break loose. And it should make ice as this was done. Last night there was 0 ice. And I replaced this particular ice maker on 4/30/22. And this was the second one. Actually, this is the 4th ice maker in this machine in 8 years. And the machine works perfect other than that. So try this first before you buy an ice maker. Just push down on these. And if you hear it pop, then it'll go ahead and turn when it's ready to make. And there you'll be. Thank you for watching.